Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, namaskar, johar, vanakkam, and I mostly welcome you in my new video, guys. I hope, guys, nowadays you all are doing great. If you all are doing great, then I am also doing great. So, guys, today I came this place for practice English and for making blog. So, yesterday I was very tired. That's why I could not think what I should present today. So, my dear friends, yesterday I worked too hard. You can consider what I do because I live in a village and you know what village people do. So my dear friends, I was also working yesterday. I worked too hard and I was very tired, and today I actually woke up at 5 a.m. That's why I could not prepare anything. So guys, as you can see, this is our nature, and actually this is summer season. That's why you can I I can't show you mm, paddy or any kind of plant. So guys, as you can see, actually now it's morning time, so no one comes in the morning time. So that's why I have come, because when I see people that time I can't get enough confidence to record myself. That's why I, I come in the morning time. Actually no one come in the morning time. And guys, as you can see, that side there is a cattle and he is grazing. So nowadays people are collecting this kind of leaves. This is tendu plant, and people comes and take these leaves and and collect this kind of leaves, and they sell it, because this is also a business of this village area. So I think someone is collecting mm, fruit of mahua. So I don't know what to call. Actually, that is we says in our local language dory. So I don't know in English the fruit of mahua. So one lady is collecting, one woman is collecting seeds of mahua. So my dear friend, because that's also a business. So that is mahua tree behind me. So guys, while working, I would like to talk about why I chose English language, why I started learning. So my dear friends, this is my childhood passion. When I was kid, I always used to think that I wish I would learn English. So my dear friends, because that time I was not any environment, I was not that kind of friends, so that's why I could not learn. But today I can speak little bit, not too much, and I can understand, I can express my thoughts with people. So because in my childhood I always wanted to speak in English with my teacher. So because lack of knowledge, I could not speak in my childhood, but now we all have understanding, so that we can learn, we can understand, we can share our thoughts in English. So my dear friends, I hope you understood. So this is my childhood passion, childhood dream. That's why I'm learning English, and I when I was kid, that time I wanted to visit abroad. So because actually my aunt live in Nigeria, so that's why I always want to go there. But when I will go, I don't know if I will work hard, if I will earn money, then I will go there. So as you can see, this is mahua tree, and this is the fruit, and inside this you will get a seed. So collect they are collecting seeds, and they will sell it, because this is also a business, my friends. So guys, as you can see front of me, there is a pond. So when I come last time, that time it a machine was digging, but I hope that it's maybe completed. So let's see what is inside there. Because, and I would like to tell you that there is also a river that is nearby from this pond. So guys, as you can see, there is muddy water. I think because of the rain here is water. So my friends, let's move. So I don't know, one woman is looking, and what she's doing, I don't know. Just make video. I'm shy, but I will try to manage everything. So let's go that side. I think she is making some plate. Actually, we make we make plate with this leaves. So she will collect and she will take. A lady was staring at me. That's why I quit recording. So guys, I'm about to reach my location where I decided to come. So guys, as you can see, this is also a mini pond. If you want to take shower, then come and jump in the water. So guys, stay till the end. So let's fast forward this video. So guys, finally I reached my location. So I am now beside the river. So I will show you. So guys, as you can see, this is our river. It's drying because of summer, because of hot days. So guys, as you can see, water. So when I was kid, that time I used to come here always. So as you can see, front of me sand, and we used to play there many time. We come and enjoy. We used to come, we used to enjoy. But nowadays we grow up. That's why we don't come here. But we will come here when we will get time. So guys, bye for now. See you next time. Take care. Have a great day.